Clean, protect, and prevent your ice machine from jamming with State Industrial's Nice and Shiny Nickel Safe Ice Machine Cleaner. Nice and Shiny removes buildup while cleaning and preventing contamination. This ultimately improves the quality and capacity of your ice machine and can lengthen the life of your valuable equipment. Nice and Shiny has special inhibitors to make it nickel safe and protect the ice-making surfaces while cleaning scale from your machine. Nice and Shiny makes for easy dilution and application, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your ice machine is clean and running smoothly. Regularly cleaning your ice machine removes buildup and prevents contamination, putting a stop to the cause of difficult equipment jamming, ice discoloration, ice odors, long run cycles, and poor ice formation. Use Nice and Shiny to maintain operating efficiency and minimize electrical costs associated with scaled systems. Use Nice and Shiny to clean any ice-producing system commonly found in healthcare facilities, commercial businesses, hospitality locations, and more. Nice and Shiny, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.